Mikey,
What's up?
I see the brackets are finally done.
Yes, R&D is complete. Everything is complete, as you can see here. We got the S1 logo on the adjuster there.
Gotta have it.
We are just currently working on getting the last of the hardware that we need to bolt everything up, and just wanted to make sure everything's the correct length for the kits. And then, of course, the only other thing you would need from here essentially is going to be the proper size belt to fit it. But as you can see, everything lines up here.
And is it four pieces, right? You got the pump plate.
Yeah, so you're gonna have the pump
adjuster,
plate, you're gonna have the adjuster,
and two brackets,
and then the bracket below here, and bracket up top that's gonna sit on there.
Kind of hiding there. You can kind of see 1, 2, 3,
and then 4.
Awesome, man. Thank you.
No problem. Stay tuned, and we'll be posting this up as soon as it's listed on the site for sale.